What's up, my unique people? It's your What's up, my unique people? It's your girl Kia, and your girl night is asleep. But as you guys can tell by the title, today we'll be doing a vlog. We're gonna go pick up my mom. We're gonna go do a couple of things. I'm gonna take y'all with me. Make sure I take y'all with me this time. So, but before we get into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that post notification bell button, and comment down below any videos you would like for us to do. Also, it is 3:01 a.m. in the morning, so I need to take my behind to sleep because I will be waking up at 5:30. There'll be another video before this video or after this video about us making brownies. So yeah, stay tuned for that video, but also like this video, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all tomorrow morning. I'm up. It's 6:15. I know I'm an hour late, but it's alright. Like I told you guys from the beginning, me and my sister will be vlogging. She's up now. I still have the same energy. I know. What is wrong with me? I don't know. I do it for you guys. But I will get back to you guys once I'm finished dressed and everything. I'll get back with you guys. So guys, we're in the car. We're about to go pick up my mom. So yeah, yeah, I'm gonna take y'all along with me. So let's get to driving. Yo, what it is, my dog? Coolin'. And it fell for life. Never forget loyalty. Gleeful. My me a perch. Better out with from the niggas for us special. But you got far back from doing all that extra. We dancing with the devil. Could've took the minutes, still trying to arrest. I'm still clutching Berettas. I'm still clutching that man. Let me. I put it in your table. Headshot, trying to pass a nigga. And it ain't film right. Hey, Rockstar. Ain't no love like all these right. Don't need time we ain't on nobody. 3-5 the road and they get my lungs right. It seems like the gunfight is fun line. Ain't no love like all these right. On my Z die, I thought really but don't live my Z, man. Rest up on my soldier, man. Never chase the Haitian, I'm telling you. This shit real. Double little baby, ain't loving on no lady. None of that. Cut the fan on. Rap shit up, go crazy. Go crazy. I'm a young nigga, double low baby. Don't need help maintaining. Can't let them still around. They wanna hang now, cause I'm getting paid now. That people ain't gon' come to you, so why you wait around? Lost some niggas to the streets, I hit you in the grave now. So I start sipping lean, pour, got my soda, slowed up, like hold up, I just wanna go off, I just stay down, everybody wanna go up, ain't trying to move that. I don't wanna kill. Like Frida, I'm someone I don't want. Still in there. I hit her and her dog. No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
For real? Why y'all didn't say nothing? Y'all just watched me roll past and write the thing.
Because you know where to go.
Y'all, look where my mama work at. It's like a whole bunch of woods, literally. Whole bunch of woods. Whole bunch of woods. Take it and say, hey, come get it. Come get it. And Junior will be like jumping trying to get it. He's like, yeah, come get it. Zaki, I will be jumping trying to get it.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What do you want to make you happy? Tell mommy. Tell mommy.
Can I get a 6?
Tell mommy.
Can I get
Tell mommy.
Oh.
That's what I'm talking about. Like, you know, a McGriddle and a mocha frappe. And a 6180 laid on. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Freaking 19, you act like, you know, like you...
Stop before you break my phone, Zina. I know you're recording.
So stop playing like that with her. Just leave her alone.
I know you're doing nothing.
I don't care. Just
bad.
Well, she already upset, so leave her alone.
On the screen, this glass is lifting.
Oh, please. It's like every 5 seconds you buying
What you could do so.
iPhone a glass to fix.
At least I could fix the screen on my phone. And like
Yeah, at least my wallet in my pocket is getting low. Look at this light. Oh, you gotta take this off so you can see the whole thing. How? The light is shining on my eyes. That's the purpose. No. You're gonna see when you see this video after. You're gonna be like, wow, I should have closed it. Close what? That. Okay, close it right here. Oh. I know.
that's sick.
That boy have cracks. Okay, I don't know why he keep coming. No, we need to take you to the doctor and let them know that you have. You know you can buy pills for that? Yeah, he's like, yeah, actually, well, you will not be able to go on a cruise.
That's why I'm trying to tell you. I can't. Can you put the video down? It's too early to have that thing so loud like that. Put it down a little bit. Put it down a little bit. It's like, yeah. Who cares? I asked you to put it down. It was even loud, you know what? Let me tell you something. I really don't have time for you this morning. It wasn't even loud. I really don't have time for you morning. Because let me ask you something. Your attitude, you need to leave it at the house.
What you want.
Leave it in the house. Mommy, it wasn't even loud. It was on 18. So you telling me you cannot even put the volume down a little bit? You prefer to turn it off? Do you have that lady stuck on sports? Do you see it on sports? Who the fuck are you talking to?
Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just
see it on sports. Do I fucking can see it? If I could see it, would I ask you? Alright, y'all, so we made it to my appointment, but we're gonna go to Family Dollar and get some things for the cats and get some other stuff. So yeah, I'll get back with you guys. Yeah, Family Dollar. What you want, I know. Okay, what replace what did he? You're not getting all the Jolly Ranchers, but we're gonna get some Jolly Ranchers. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna get.
I know.
You did not have that.
Look. There's the Jolly Ranchers. I know
you didn't have that, so why are you getting it?
Because I barely remember what I got.
I remember. Alright, I wasn't able to record in the Family Dollar, so yeah. Cause this ain't a recording, but anyway. And if I name some place I'm not going, it's okay, cause we all do it sometimes. Ooh, baby. So yeah, we all do it sometimes. Old throwbacks I'm gonna play for y'all. Here's the next song.
Time you wouldn't listen to it. You wouldn't listen to the words of song. Your shit wouldn't be out on the cover. Say you love me, you say you trust me, now you good. Back in time I'm at the studio writing verses.
Right here.
For the song, I feel like I popped a bean. She gon' fuck a nigga, her we winning. She might do the team. That boy ain't I got shooters, what it do? This Glokknine.
Y'all too real,
I just really want for y'all little me. Talking goals, then I am one of them. Yes, sir. Say you wanna be a star, easy. I play that bitch like a guitar. Thought she was sweet. Then we ran down, we got AR. No biz with me. Hold on, Rockout.
This one right here.
Down BT. I be doing all that fake little shit. That shit to me, me, that shit made me I swear to God. You the ones you love the most, you the ones turn out the hate. I'm from that Florida swamp, so what I'm in is an alligator. I'm from the trunk, we ain't the independent label. I teach you how to work that little machine to operate. They be the ones you love the most, you be the ones turn out the hate. I'm from that Florida swamp, so what I'm in is an alligator. I get him cremated, long ones, you know, features so a bitch can say they made it. 'Cause 9 times out of 10, it's always 9 to be the savior. He a hero in the end, but the villain shit in the making.
Bald head hoe shit, bald head hoe shit, bald head hoe shit, yeah. Bald head hoe shit, bald head hoe shit, bald head hoe shit, yeah. Bald head hoe shit, my nigga he don't know shit. Got me the rubber on, he be tryna slide, but we don't do shit. Nah, boo, I'm a bad bitch, we don't do kids.
NFL nigga for life, never forget loyalty.
You pressure my nigga, and I'm loving the presentation. I'm really proud of you. There's a lot more I want to say, but words sometimes get in the way.
They told me I'm fresh, made it out way from. They need you something special, but you gotta fall back from doing all that ish. They dancing with the devil, could've take the minute. In the headshot, tryna bust a nigga. But you gotta get all that sample. Yeah, probably ain't something I spend in the I'm put the true and rock out at the street, they gave me jewels. I don't know some shit, I couldn't be tough in school. Little scoop with the two, but he make him move, that boy move smooth. Ain't got no gloves on, he hit, who tryna leave back in the glue. Swear for I right up.
They say if I live by him, one day I'ma die by him. I'm dying on my own, so I'm riding on my own. They let me know, they grind me up the pole. I know why you be on gold, turn down the up the score.
That's the end of the vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notification bell, and stay tuned for the next video.